While we get the bitterly cold temperatures, there is going to be a major snowstorm passing to our south over the next several days. So is there any snow headed our way to go along with the cold we're getting? I'll have your forecast coming up.
Now, Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland, featuring the 3-degree guarantee, sponsored by Habush & Rotier.
Temperatures today running about 10 to 15 degrees colder than what we saw yesterday, and we're going to chop off another 20 degrees for tomorrow. That cold air now pouring into north central Wisconsin. We've got 9 in Brillion, but it's already down to 0 in Antigo. In Sturgeon Bay, the temperature is 7. We've got west winds at around 10 miles per hour. In Green Bay, the temperature is 8. Westerly winds sustained at 14 miles per hour, but those winds will start to pick up as the cold air really starts to pour in here later on this evening. Wind chills have now dropped below 0 everywhere. In fact, it feels like 20 degrees below 0 in Antigo, and that's where most of us will be in just a couple of hours. To go along with the colder temperatures, we've had on and off snow showers and flurries throughout the day. The cold front is now pushing off towards the east. We've got Arctic high pressure building in from the north. Out ahead of that front this afternoon, we were in the lower teens in the Fox Valley, but behind it at the exact same time in International Falls, the temperature was 21 degrees below 0. That was in the middle of the day as the coldest air mass in 7 years moves into the upper Midwest. Let's go back to January 2019. Speaking of that air mass, we had a high temperature of 9 below, a low temperature of 26 below, and the wind chill hit 47 degrees below 0, which is reminiscent of the Ice Bowl. And with gusty northwest winds throughout the night into tomorrow, combined with bitterly cold temperatures tomorrow morning in the teens and in some cases the 20s below 0, we will be looking at wind chills getting down into the 40s below 0 by tomorrow morning. Here's a look what the computer forecast models are showing. Wind chills around 42 to 48 below 0 for most of us, although Antigo, wind chills tomorrow morning in the mid-50s below 0, and temperatures tomorrow are really not going to warm up much. After lows in the teens to around 20 below during the morning, temperatures are going to struggle to get into the single digits below 0 by the afternoon. There's your normal high of 25, so a good 30 to 40 degrees below normal for this time of year, but not quite record cold. I know, it's crazy to think about it, but it's been colder than what we're going to see tomorrow. On January 23rd, 1963, we had a high temperature of 12 below and a low of 27 degrees below 0. So it looks like those records are safe. We're going to continue with the cold air into this upcoming weekend. We've got cold weather advisories for the southern counties. May see those issued farther north as well, because look at these wind chills Saturday morning, 20s and 30s below 0, getting up into the teens below 0, which is going to feel balmy compared to what we're going to see tomorrow morning. And the reason the wind chills are going up is because the temperature is going to be warmer. 2 degrees below 0 for a high on Saturday. All right, tonight, bitterly cold, snow showers and flurries ending as we clear out, lows in the teens below 0. Tomorrow, bitterly cold, highs in the single digits below 0, although I think north and west of the Fox Valley, many spots will not make it out of the teens below 0. My 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow is 8 below. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to the Crivets Area Community Pantry, and we did that today. I forecast an early morning high of 15. That early morning high was 16. Here's your 7-day forecast. It does warm up, but it's going to stay frigid for the next 7 days.
At 44